Setting up a Starlink network. Step-by-step guide for home and business users. Starlink, a satellite internet service developed by SpaceX, is revolutionizing how people connect to the internet, especially in rural, remote, or underserved areas. With its low Earth orbit LEO satellite constellation, Starlink delivers high-speed, low-latency broadband internet, where traditional services may be unreliable or unavailable. If you received your Starlink kit and are ready to go online, this guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your Starlink network at home or for your business. What's included in the Starlink kit? When you order Starlink, you receive a ready-to-use kit that includes Starlink Dish Dishy McFlatface, Wi-Fi router, power supply unit, mounting tripod or base, cables for connection and power. Gear step-by-step Starlink setup process. 1. Choose a suitable installation location. The Starlink dish needs a clear, unobstructed view of the sky. Trees, tall buildings, or other obstacles can interrupt the signal. Use the Starlink app, available for iOS and Android, to scan your surroundings and find the optimal installation spot. 2. Mount the dish. Place the dish on the ground, roof, pole, or wall using provided tripod or additional mounting hardware, if purchased. Ensure it's stable and not prone to movement due to wind or animals. 3. Connect the hardware. Plug the Starlink dish cable into the power supply. Connect the Wi-Fi router to the power supply using the included Ethernet light cable. Plug the power adapter into a standard wall outlet. 4. Power on the system. Once connected, the dish will automatically align itself by tilting and rotating to establish a connection with Starlink satellites. Wait a few minutes for initialization and signal locking. 5. Download and use the Starlink app. Open the Starlink app to track signal strength, connectivity status, and usage data. You'll be prompted to configure your Wi-Fi network. Set a custom network name, SSID, and password. 6. Test the internet connection. Once setup is complete, test the connection on your devices, smartphone, laptop, etc. You can use speed test tools like Ookla or Fast.com to check download/upload speeds and latency. Advanced setup optional. For power users or businesses, you can connect a Starlink router to your own mesh Wi-Fi system or firewall/router using an Ethernet adapter. Use static IP routing or VPNs for corporate use. Monitor and manage your network using third-party tools or the Starlink dashboard. Security and maintenance tips. Keep your router password strong and unique. Keep the dish clean from snow, debris, or bird droppings to avoid signal disruption. Periodically check for firmware updates via the Starlink app. Benefits of a Starlink network. High-speed internet, 50 to 250 megabits per second, even in remote areas. Low latency, 20 to 50 milliseconds, for gaming, streaming, and video calls. Easy self-installation, no technician needed. Ideal for off-grid homes, boats, RVs, and rural businesses.